1 minus 0 whole square. What is this? This is equal to 1 plus 1. Minus 1 square is equal to 1, which is equal to under root 2. Then find out CA. CA equal to OA minus OC. Again find out. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 square plus 0 minus 1 square, which is equal to, what is equal to this? This is equal to, what is this? 1 square, which is equal to 1. Perimeter. What's perimeter of triangle ABC equal to AB plus BC plus CA? What's your AB? 1. What's your BC? Under root 2. What's your CA? 1. So what's it become? 2 plus under root 2. 2 plus under root 2. So this, how can we write? 2 under root 2 take common, under root 2 plus 1. In this way also we can write. But its answer is given in this form. So which is its answer? This is its answer. Whose 17? Parameter mean sum of its all sides. 18. A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Then the length of the median through the vertex. This important. A, B, C. Understood this? Coordinate of A are 2, 2. Coordinate of B minus 4, minus 4. Coordinate of this point C 5 and minus 8, saying A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle I have written. Then the length of median through the vertex C. Length of the median through the vertex. I already told you what is vertex, what is median. Median is that line segment which start from a vertex and divide the opposite side into two equal parts. So this D is the point. Then AD equal to BB. If solution, if CD is the median of AB, then AD equal to BB. So coordinate of this point are what? Minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2. Minus 1. By midpoint formula. Minus 4 plus 2. Minus 1. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance of the median. Which median? CD. So CD equal to OD minus OC. By distance formula, this D. D is what? Minus 1. What's minus 1? Minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus minus 8, sorry, minus 1 plus 8 whole squares. What's it become? Minus 6 whole square plus 7 whole square. What is this? 36 plus 49. How much this? This is 70. 85. So CD is equal to this. Therefore, length of median CD equal to under root 85. What's under root 85? So what's your answer? This is your answer. So what's your answer? C is your